The world of military technology is shrouded in secrecy. Behind closed doors, engineers and scientists toil away on projects that sound like they come straight out of science fiction. From hypersonic missiles to laser weapons, the pursuit of the next big thing in warfare is a constant race against adversaries. The United States Air Force, with its long history of innovation, has always been at the forefront of this technological arms race. The public rarely catches a glimpse of these cutting-edge developments until they are operational and declassified. However, every now and then, a rumor surfaces, a document is leaked, or a fleeting image is captured, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the secret world of advanced military technology. These leaks and whispers only serve to fuel the imagination, leaving us to wonder about the true capabilities of these clandestine projects. Rumors have been swirling for months about a new highly classified drone being developed by the US Air Force. This is no ordinary unmanned aerial vehicle. Sources suggest that this drone possesses incredible endurance, capable of staying aloft for days if not weeks at a time. Such an aircraft would revolutionize aerial reconnaissance and surveillance, providing the military with an unprecedented ability to monitor adversaries and gather intelligence. Details about this secret drone have been scarce, but its existence has been all but confirmed by a recent slip-up from the Air Force itself. In a budget document, a reference was made to the X-67A, a previously unknown designation that sent shockwaves through the defense community. While the Air Force has remained tight-lipped about the X-67A, experts believe it to be the long-rumored, long-endurance drone. The importance of endurance in aerial warfare cannot be overstated. Traditionally, spy planes and surveillance aircraft have been limited by the amount of fuel they can carry, which dictates how long they can remain airborne. This limitation has always been a major constraint for intelligence-gathering operations. The development of a drone with near-limitless endurance would be a game-changer. Imagine a drone that can loiter over a target area for days or even weeks on end, silently observing enemy movements, intercepting communications, and providing real-time intelligence to commanders on the ground. Such a capability would be invaluable in a wide range of military operations, from counterterrorism to conventional warfare. The X-67A, if it lives up to the hype, could very well usher in a new era of aerial dominance for the United States. The X-67A is not just about endurance. It is believed to incorporate a suite of advanced technologies that set it apart from any other drone in the world. These technologies are shrouded in secrecy, but experts speculate that the drone may feature advanced stealth capabilities, making it virtually invisible to radar. This would allow the X-67A to operate undetected in even the most heavily defended airspace. Furthermore, the drone is likely equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors, cameras, and electronic warfare equipment. These sensors would enable the X-67A to gather vast amounts of intelligence, from high-resolution imagery to signals intelligence. The drone's electronic warfare capabilities could be used to jam enemy communications, disrupt radar systems, and even disable electronic systems on the ground. Section 5. DARPA's ambitious venture. The development of the X-67A is believed to be linked to another ambitious project being undertaken by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, the development of a next-generation flying wing drone. Flying wing aircraft, with their blended wing-body design, offer significant advantages over traditional aircraft designs, including increased fuel efficiency, greater range, and reduced radar signature. DARPA has been working on flying wing technology for years, and the agency believes that this design holds the key to unlocking new levels of performance in unmanned aircraft. The X-67A may very well be the culmination of DARPA's research in this area, incorporating the latest advancements in flying wing design to create a truly revolutionary aircraft. Section 6 X-Plane, pushing the boundaries. DARPA's flying wing drone program, known as the X-Plane program, has been shrouded in secrecy since its inception. However, recent reports suggest that the program is nearing a major milestone, the first flight of a prototype aircraft. This test flight, which could happen as early as this year, would mark a significant step forward in the development of this groundbreaking technology. The X-Plane is expected to be a technological marvel, incorporating cutting-edge advancements in aerodynamics, materials science, and autonomous flight control. The aircraft's unique design is expected to give it unprecedented range and endurance, potentially allowing it to fly for days without refueling. If successful, the X-plane could pave the way for a new generation of long-range, long-endurance drones for a variety of military and civilian applications. Section 7. A glimpse behind the curtain. The U.S. Air Force, in an unprecedented move, recently offered a glimpse into the secretive world of the X-67A. In a carefully orchestrated media event, the Air Force showcased footage of the drone's maiden flight, a significant milestone in the aircraft's development. The footage, while brief, offered tantalizing clues about the drone's capabilities. The X-67A, as seen in the video, is a sleek, futuristic-looking aircraft with a blended wing-body design. Its smooth, seamless contours suggest that it has been designed with stealth in mind, minimizing its radar signature. The drone's lack of a tail and its swept wings further enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to its long endurance. Section 8. The unveiling of the X-67A. The Air Force's decision to release footage of the X-67A's first flight was a calculated move, signaling to adversaries that the United States is developing advanced new capabilities in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles. The timing of the release was also significant, coming at a time of heightened tensions in various parts of the world. The message was clear. The United States is investing heavily in cutting-edge military technology, and it will not hesitate to use it if necessary. The X-67A, with its long endurance, stealth capabilities, and advanced sensors, represents a significant leap forward in drone technology and could have profound implications for the future of warfare. Section 9. A paradigm shift in warfare. The development of drones like the X-67A represents a paradigm shift in warfare. Unmanned aircraft are no longer limited to short-range missions or supporting roles. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable, taking on missions that were once the exclusive domain of manned aircraft. The X-67A, with its ability to loiter over a target area for extended periods, could revolutionize intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations. Imagine a scenario where the X-67A is deployed to monitor a hostile nation's military activities. The drone could spend days or even weeks in the air, tracking troop movements, identifying key military installations, and intercepting communications. This information would provide military commanders with an unprecedented level of situational awareness, allowing them to make more informed decisions and potentially avoid costly mistakes. Section 10. The future of aerial supremacy. The X-67A is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the future of unmanned aerial vehicles. The U.S. Air Force and other branches of the military are investing heavily in drone technology, developing new and innovative ways to utilize these versatile aircraft. Future drones are likely to be even more capable than the X-67A, featuring even greater endurance, more advanced sensors, and potentially even the ability to carry weapons. The development of these advanced drones raises important ethical and legal questions. As drones become more autonomous, able to make decisions and carry out missions without human intervention, the potential for unintended consequences increases. The international community must grapple with these issues sooner rather than later to ensure that the development and deployment of these technologies are conducted responsibly and ethically. Section 11. Conclusion: the dawn of a new era. The unveiling of the X-67A marks the dawn of a new era in aerial warfare. Drones are no longer merely tools for reconnaissance or targeted strikes. They are evolving into sophisticated, highly capable platforms that are changing the face of modern warfare. The X-67A, with its long endurance, stealth capabilities, and advanced sensors, is a glimpse into the future of military technology, where unmanned systems play an increasingly prominent role. As drone technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the world must prepare for a future where the skies are increasingly filled with these unmanned sentinels. The X-67A is just the beginning. The future of warfare is unmanned, and it is closer than we think.